That time because David held down na Barrientos. Partner, sa tingin ko, dapat si Marlo Aquino will become the #1 offensive option ng Gordon Zin. Hindi ko maintindihan why they don't work the ball towards Marlo Aquino. Nabasa ko din yung column. Nabasa ko din yung column ni Rudy Navarro kanina. At sabi niya, second import ng Gordon Zin si Marlo Aquino. And I think that's absolutely correct, no? Dapat mabigyan nilang pagkakataon ito si Marlo Aquino to score from the inside because he is unstoppable once he's close to the basket inside the paint.
First time out of the ball game. The venue for game number 6 of the championship series, best of 7 series between Alaska Milk and Gordon's Gin para sa Commissioner's Cup for 1997. Bong Hawkins ng Alaska nasa free throw line at bibigyan niya ng 7 puntos na kalamangan or rather 6 na puntos na kalamangan ng Alaska at 9-3. 5:54 remaining in the first period.
Partner, pumasok na si Noli Locsin to replace, sino nga ni-replace niya? Kala ko si Vince Season.
Si Dotto
Jaworski, okay. At si Dwight Lago naman po pumasok na in place of Jojo Lastimosa.
Okay, 2 free throws by Bong Hawkins gives Alaska a 7-point lead at 10-3. Bal David binigay kay Noli Locsin. Maganda rin ang nilaro nitong si Noli Locsin nung biyernes. Lalong-lalo na sa rebounding. Siya nga ng ating naging Hardy Flex King of the Boards. Ayun na, si Marlo Aquino, sinasabi mo kayo
Yes, partner, yun ang sinasabi ko. Dapat ito si Marlo, mabigyan ng bola, pagkakataon to be able to score from up close. No? He should be the #1 offensive option ng Gordons. Huwag na si Chris King because ewan ko, matakaw yata sa 3-point shot dito si Chris King. Okay lang kung binabuena siya, no? Pero kung minamalas naman, baka sunod-sunod din ang bintis niya.
Good season with the rebound after miss by Johnny Barrientos. He's on, labang kay Boyet Fernandez. Marlo Aquino, double team, nabasali kay Vince Season. They're passing the ball around, Chris King! Ano ka mo, kinito? Sabi ni Chris King.
Sabi niya, hindi na ako titira sa labas, magdadrive. Pero maganda ang galaw niya.
Yes.
And if that's the
hindi kasi bilis nung usual niya.
Yes, yung explosive first step, hindi natin nakita yon. Pero partner, in that drive, nakita natin, ito sa drive of an NBA veteran because yung stand-up defense ni Bong Hawkins nandun. Yung galang, he slid very, very well to avoid the contact with Bong Hawkins. Yan naman si Kevin Holland, finally making the 2 points from inside the paint. Dapat nga ito si Holland, wag na siyang mag-finger roll. Idaktak na lang niya yung bola para sigurado.
Yung gala, pag nakikita niya si Marlo, parang nakakakita siya ng maligno. 6 points, by the way, by Kevin Holland so far at the 5-point lead by Alaska Milk. King rifles it out to Vince Hizon. Binabate ni Boyet Fernandez. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Hizon puts it up. At napunta pa kay Bal David ang bola. A lucky break here para sa Gordon's Gin. They're behind by 5 in the first quarter. Marlo Aquino pumaposte lamang kay Holland. Chris King. Ito ang finger roll. Back-to-back hits by Chris King.
Partner, ito si Chris King is now putting the ball on the floor. He has scored on 2 drives. So far, he's looking good.
Pangatlong gabi po ito na pinipilit ng Gordon's Gin na tapusin ang championship series para sa 1997 Commissioner's Cup. At nakakadalawang beses na po na inuunsyami ng Alaska Milk ang salo-salo at kasiyahan ng Gordon's Gin. Hindi kaya napanis yung mga hinagdang mga ulam. Uy, Noli Locsin! And the lead of Alaska Milk has been cut down to just 1.
Partner, nakita natin in the last few offensive thrusts of Gordon's, the ball moving into the hands of Chris King and Marlo Aquino. And Alaska's defense concentrated on those 2 players. Kanya may nakawala sa ilalim, yung po si Noli Locsin.
Bong Hawkins sa labas, only 4 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Hawkins, 2 seconds to go. Lepito. Referee Bernie de Dios. Noli Locsin is called for his first personal foul. At pang-7 na yan, pinito. Ang team foul ng Gordon's Gin. Kanina pa sila nasa penalty. We have this timeout. Alaska Milk at 12-11. At sa sobrang pong excitement talaga ng larong ito, mga kaibigan, dito sa bleachers area, meron na yatang hinimatay na manonood. At yan po ay ngayon nilalapatan ngayon ng lunas ng mga tao dito sa Cuneta Astrodome. Samantala, Ito po ang huling aksyon na nangyari kung kaya't si Bong Hawkins ay nasa linya na naman para sa kanyang free throws. 8 puntos na ang ginagawa ni Bong Hawkins. Got 8 of the 14 points of of Alaska at the moment.
Partner, at hindi ng depensa ni Noli Locsin on Bong Hawkins that time, but they were just guarding Bong Hawkins one-on-one.
And a rebound story sa kasalukuyan, mga kaibigan. Angat ang Alaska Milk by 4. Diba ang score naman 14-11. Noli Locsin, hesitation move, pero kinaliwa. What a shot by Noli Locsin as Mikey Cojuangco shows her approval.
Partner, the foul story, 7 fouls on Gordon's Gin at wala pang foul.
Wala pa team
ang
foul,
Alaska.
oh. Kevin Holland, nalabas kay Johnny Abarrientos.
One-on-one move.
Jumper by Johnny.
Mabigat na tira yun from the outside, and he was covered very well by the Flash David.
Tatlo na naman ang abante ng Alaska Milk at 16-13. We're in the first quarter. 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining in this period. Vince Hizon laban kay Boyet Fernandez. Strong move by Vince Hizon. No basket, says referee de Dios. A blocking foul is called on Boyet Fernandez. Nagre-reklamo yung bench ng Alaska na nasa tapat mismo ng pangyayari. They claim it should have been an offensive foul.
Let's take a look at it again.
Ayun na sinasabi nila na nauna yung balikat ni Vince Hizon.
Mukha nga talagang nauna. Ha? Ang Gordons naman was complaining that it should have been a continuation. Dapat counted at foul pa.
Meron pong binubuhat na lalaki dito sa may bleacher section na obviously ay hinimatay. Vince Hizon from the outside. First triple way.
Mukha yata nakabuti pa yung tawag sa Gordon's Gin because now Vince Hizon was able to unload that 3-point bomb. Alam po natin how important 3-point shooting is for Gordon's Gin.
First deadlock of the ball game at 16 all. At ito si Johnny Abarrientos. Bong Hawkins pumihit. Laban kay Noli Locsin. Oh, Hawkins is really starting off hot
Double
in this
figures
game.
na po.
Oh.
10 points niya ata si Bong Hawkins.
Tama.
10 out of the 18 points of Alaska.
Isang minuto na lang po nalalabi dito sa first quarter. Lamang ng dalawa ang Alaska Milk. Vince Hizon titira na ulit ng tres. Tres na naman ni Vince Hizon. Pangalawa, back-to-back triples. Yan ang sinasabi ng marami. Kinito, pagka nagpapasok yung mga 3-point shot ng Gordons, delikading ang Alaska.
Well, hindi lang yun, partner. No? The crowd comes alive for Gordon's Gin because yung 3-point
Whoop.
shot ng Gordon's Gin is such a big crowd rouser.
Samantala, si Johnny Abarrientos naman. Another morale-boosting shot para naman sa Alaska Milk. Galing sa ilalim pa. Samantala, Dwight Lagos ay ngayon ang naka-assign kay Chris King. Pagtanggap ni Chris King ng bola, tinawagan kagad ng foul si Dwight Lagos. His first personal foul at pangalawa lang na team foul ng Alaska with only 28 seconds remaining in the first period.
O partner can afford to give up fouls ang Alaska because only 2 team fouls. Ito na naman, Chris King is now being double-teamed at hinahanap nila ito si Marlo Aquino once he's double-teamed. Ito na, yung low post move.
Double team din doon si Marlo. Tumulong si Kevin Holland. Medyo nakaganti. Paminsan-minsan na makaganti ito si Kevin Holland kay Marlo Aquino. Alright, 8 seconds to go. 1-point lead ng Alaska. Johnny Abarrientos gets away! Pero hindi pumasok ang tira. Dwight Lago tries it from 3-point country. Ayaw pa rin. And this time, hindi aabot yung tirang yon ni Vince Hizon. And Alaska Milk has a slim 1-point lead after 12 minutes of play.